Alright guys, let's go make some curry chicken. I know a lot of you have been wanting to know how to make Jamaican curry chicken, so here we go. We're gonna cut up our chicken and we're going to cut it up into small pieces. It should just look something like this. And no matter what the internet says, no matter what everybody says, I'm gonna always clean my chicken 100% of the time. You can do you and I'm gonna do me. I've been doing it this way for the longest time and I'm not dead yet. And there's nothing that a little bleach can't heal. Alright, here I'm gonna season up the chicken. Pretty much gonna use the same seasonings I always use: garlic powder, onion powder, some thyme, black pepper, salt, a little bit of complete seasoning. Some people add the curry powder to the chicken while they're seasoning it. I don't do that. I add mine to the pot when I'm doing it. Here I'm gonna add some green seasoning and then I'm going to add the fresh seasonings later on in the cooking process. Gonna add some olive oil and give everything a good rub and leave that to marinate for about half an hour. Oh, there's curry and there's curry, and I'm going to be using some better pack curry, which to me is the best one there is. I'm gonna brown the curry until it looks like this, and then once it looks like that, I'm gonna add some garlic cloves and some pimento seeds. Drop my chicken and allow everything to get the color until it looks like this. Once it looks like that, then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to simmer. Start the cooking process. Once the meat is tender, I'm gonna add the fresh seasonings. I'm gonna add some scallion I had left over in the fridge. I'm gonna go in with some onions. I'm gonna add one scotch bonnet pepper to add some heat. Just not really for the heat, more for the flavor than the heat. Because some of these peppers that I buy here in America, they're not even hot. Alright, going to give everything a good stir and then we're going to cover the pot once again and we're gonna allow everything to cook and get our potato ready. So here I'm peeling the potato. I don't know curry chicken. Sometimes I put spinners with the curry chicken, but standard most times is potato. We're gonna use cut up that potato and we're gonna drop it in the pot to cook down for maybe another 10 minutes until the potato is tender. Alright. Once the potato is cooked and everything looks like this, our chicken was so good, guys. I can't wait for you to try it. So once the pot is ready, yeah, I'm gonna serve. That's my favorite piece right there, that chicken wing flat. Alright, so here's my plate. I serve it with white rice because remember I already said in a previous video I can't even imagine eating curry with anything else but white rice. Also made some Brussels sprouts with some bacon. And here's the final plate. Hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.